Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be detailing the same car as in my last video, the 2013 Cadillac SRX, and I'm going to be doing the inside this time. So I'm going to be walking you guys through all the steps I do to totally clean an interior of a car, and yeah, check it out. First, start off by grabbing out all the floor mats, including the carpeted ones and the rubber ones, and then I go right into cleaning out any extra things that would be in the vehicle, such as, this bag, the tissue box, the umbrella, and yeah. And when I'm cleaning my floor mats, I just put them on my little platform ladder, and then I just vacuum them off as I would like the regular floors on the inside of the car, and make sure to get off all the dirt, so that when I go in with my extractor in the next step, I'm not sucking up anything too big that the extractor can't handle. So when I'm cleaning my carpets, I use all-purpose cleaner first. I spray a good amount all over the carpet, and then I go in with either my drill brush or a hand brush, and I agitate the cleaner into the floor mat so that it gets good penetration in all the dirt and all the ground and stuff. Same process as with the the carpeted floor mats. I'm just pretty much vacuuming out all the areas of the car. Right here I'm starting off with the trunk, but the same rules apply wherever there is carpet. And here I make sure to get every nook and cranny, including the drop down cup holder and the under the seats, between the seats. I flip the seat down and do the back of the seat because I can't, it's not good to just climb into the back through the trunk, so I usually just flip the seats down and just do the back of the seats that way. And last but not least, I just take my extractor and then do all the carpeted floors just with the extractor. If you have cloth seats, you can do the seats the same way. But I pretty much lay across the seats and then have my feet stick out the back, so I'm not getting any dirt in the car because I just vacuum the entire thing, so I don't want to get it too dirty after that. And I just do a couple passes back and forth with the extractor, and yeah.